Hi guys, this is the reading of our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Tignan na natin kung anong meron sa ating mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. Let's see what's up with our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ayan. Okay guys, if you want a personal reading guys, you can just direct message me here in my Facebook account and then you can ask my admin team for the pricing of the personal reading guys, okay? At ano pa? Yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading guys, okay? At yun lang po, proceed na po tayo sa ating Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see what's up with our Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Hindi rin makapag-decide si Earth sign. He or she only wants happiness. Pero hindi pa rin siya na, this is about happiness Hindi pa rin siya nawawala ng pag-asa na sasaya pa siya ulit. Okay? Or matutupad pa yung kanyang mga pangarap for his or her family. Okay? At meron ako nakikita dito na some of you is planning na mag-ibang bansa. Ganyan. And then I have here also the Wheel of Fortune na kung saan matutupad na lahat din to within this year. Okay? Kasi Wheel of Fortune pag lumalabas kasi to guys, this is definitely this year gonna happen. Okay? So, stay tuned lang sa inyong energy. And then, we have here from the bottom of your deck is the Gemini energy. I have here the Lovers. Okay? You may be dealing with a air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay? Pero kung hindi naman din, okay lang naman din. Hindi naman nagmamatter yun minsan. Okay? Kung hindi mag-resonate. Just take what resonate with you. Okay? And then, I am having here also na nagwo-worry ka. Okay? Nagwo-worry ka ngayon dito sa inyong budgeting sa kaperahan. Kasi, para sa iyo kasi kailangan mong makapag-ipon, okay? And then you will have another new beginning, a fresh new start, okay? You just need to go with the flow, guys. Okay? You just need to go with the flow. Earth sign, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, okay? You know, you have to put more hope, okay, and courage with the star. Ayan, manifest it. Okay, manifest it. Matuto kang manalangin kay universe. Okay, I have here the star. Ha? Ito yung sign na kailangan mong manalig. Ha? Kasi within this year, the Wheel of Fortune will gonna play for you. Okay? Kung saan matutupad lahat ng pangarap mo, lahat ng wish mo, matutupad na lahat to. Within this year, guys, huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa, okay? And then I have here the Three of Wands. Sabi ko nga kanina, meron ditong isip ng isip at meron din nag-iisip na mag-abroad, nagpaplano na. Eventually, parang meron na nag-apply na makakatanggap ng balita with the Ace of Wands here. Ayan Ace of Wands, okay? It will be the good news, the new start. What else? This is a happy news. And then, with the Ten of Cups, this is a happiness fulfillment, emotional fulfillment, family, okay? You really need to sacrifice for your family, Earth sign. Anyway. Okay. Wala namang tao na hindi nagsakripisyo para sa pamilya nila. Lahat tayo nagsasakripisyo sa nagsasakripisyo para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Okay? Huwag mo isipin na parang ikaw lang to na dumadanas ng ganito. Okay? You just need to be more positive in the outcome. Kasi andito na yung ating confirmation. Andito na yung good card mo. Oh. This is a destiny. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune. This is a happy life. Wishes granted. Change of your life. Okay? Kumbaga, iikot na yung mundo para sa'yo. Kung ngayon, lagi kang nasa ilalim, huwag kang mag-alala. Darating din yung time na mapupunta ka rin naman sa ibabaw. At kapag dumating yung time na yun na nasa ibabaw ka na, earth sign, huwag na huwag kang mananamantala, makakalimot, okay? Lagi kang, when I say huwag kang mananamantala, huwag mong sasamantalahin yung pagkakataon na binigay ni universe sa'yo para makaahon ka sa hirap, para maibigay lahat ng pangangailangan ng pamilya mo. What I mean is, dapat matuto kang magpasalamat sa ating kaitaas-taasan, sa ating universe, okay? Kasi this is a gift for you. This is the outcome ng pagsasakripisyo para sa family mo. Huwag lalaki ang ulo. Kung dumating man yung time na naandito ka na sa punto na to, okay, na sinuswerte ka na ng sunod-sunod. At, okay, pahalagahan mo ang bawat sentimo na makukuha mo at matatanggap mo. Kahit saan pa nanggaling yan, pahalagahan mo at kahit magkano pa yan. Okay? Kasi I have here the Four of Pentacles. Pahalagahan mo lahat ng magkakaroon ka, lahat ng magiging meron ka. Naiintindihan mo ba ako? Okay? And then, yun lang guys. If you want a personal reading, sabi ko nga, just direct message me here. At yun lang po, mag-ingat po tayong lahat. At God bless po and good luck.